MercsAirsoft is proudly sponsored by Airsoft Extreme, eHobbyAsia, GoPro Camera, CQB City, Alakdan Airsoft, and Airsoft Battlegrounds.
Go. I don't know what I'm doing! I don't know what I'm doing!
Top into the field.
Sup, gangsta? Okay, do it. Okay, go for it. Oh my god! I'll be honest.
Here's my recommendation. Go on in there, scatter around. So that you guys aren't in there. If you want to use the second level.
Wait, someone want to point this for me again?
Sound good?
Sure.
Yeah, and when you guys are,
Ryan,
I'll
point this for me again.
For you guys to go right in. Come on.
Aim.
And I'm not timing it. You guys are free on
good.
time.
So we're just walking. God! Why? Why?
What? Oh, yeah. You guys can go in.
Ow. Oh, sorry.
I can't see too much up the goggles. I'm in it.
Right behind you.
Back.
Yeah.
On me.
Copy that.
Grab over there. Right below.
Where?
Watch out, you got 4 guys over there. I forgot our base. Guys, we got 3 guys over here.
12 o'clock?
My 12. I got 1 on the right, 2 on the left.
Get down, get down.
I'm hit. What do I do? Oh, I gotta go back.
You lose a poker chip.
I have no secondary.
Thank you. 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. We're safe. Get ahead, 12 o'clock! I'm back here. Steven, you're right! You're right! Just straight ahead in the bush right there.
Yeah, I know, right there.
He's out. Got him. Nice job. We got him. We got him. You're 12 o'clock.
Hey! You guys are clear! Move up!
Defiler's somewhere in there.
Careful, 11 o'clock, guys.
He went back.
Yeah.
He's back there. He's back there. Kai, stay down. Kai, stay down. I don't have a positive ID. You're dead, over? Okay, crap. Kai, cover. Kai, cover. We're taking fire. Cover. 11 o'clock. Hold on. I gotta adjust myself.
By the same place, by the bush.
Yep. We don't want to leave you. We don't want you losing your card. It's not worth it. Cover. Damn. Stay here. You're my eyes.
Were you shot?
No. We're taking fire though.
Here, get up here. You can get a grip. He's out.
Did I get him?
Yeah.
They're just bleeding out. Stay low. Just stay low profile. We're gonna watch the road real quick.
Let's cut this way. Go down, go back, cut back. This is back. We're right open. Come this way. The road curves around. We can lay in grass.
No contact.
You go that way?
Yeah. Go ahead. On you.
Fall back. Third contact coming up down from the spawn.
Out. Left side brush. We can hit brush in a second. I hear gibberish, Alan. Blah 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 blah. Moving up, 12 o'clock. Tanaka on the base of the ridge. I was sniping him from back there, right?
Really?
Yeah. I don't know who.
I think it might have been simultaneous. We can just both see we got it.
It's cross. I don't care. It's crossfire. Maybe you got it. You were closer. See Christy. That was kick ass.
Thank you for watching this MercsAirsoft video. If you enjoyed this production, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter.
But from right here.
So here at Mercs, actually Arc Airsoft, we have girls playing. Woo! That is Kai's lovely lady here.
She's legit right here. Korea. What about that bulgogi sauce?
Hey, look, it's Duct Tape. It's Duct Tape.
Oh, that's my name.
That is your name.
Hi. I love everyone.
Yes, he does. Say hi to everybody. Hello. Hello.
Is that your face?
I didn't do it!
Oh, really? Oh, there it is.
Say hello.
Hit.
Hello. He got hit, huh?
Obviously, I can still do what I...
No knife kills with real knife.
Yeah, no.
No knife kills with that.
The cats? No, striker inside it. You like that? Gunpowder in the back.
Bayonet.
Oh, I do have a real one, by the way. And it does go on the end of my M16 and my M4.
I mean, I've seen it before.
The guy looked at me and he goes, so is that real? And I stuck it around and went, bam, walked away and went, no.
Oh, this is really good balance. I want to see a tree and just do it.
Not out here. I have it sharpened. It's not really all that sharp, but it's still the same as what I had it.
That's dangerous. Whatever footage we can get of this.
They might not.
Oh, what?
What? Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Fucked up. Hey.
Broccoli.
You have no idea.
I owe that guy broccoli right there.
Dang, look how lucky you are. Just knocked my gun over.
Should be over there. I haven't.
Wow.
Oh.
Do it. Permission?
Your keyboard was over there.
Yeah, I know.
Get one shot off. One shot. Are we gonna go again?
What?
You're recording, right?
Yeah.
Are you playing
Hey, James!
Oh my god.
Sorry, James.
It's on.
I know. Alright. Is this working? It's a brilliant strategy.
No!
You run like that?
You want to?
No, it's a terrible idea.
Let's do this. Bleep that. Bleep that too. Bleep that.